Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the vehicle detection and counting. It will also classify the type of vehicle like two-wheeler, three-wheeler, four-wheeler, LCV, minibus, bus, truck and other heavy vehicles. Okay, so first it will detect and then it will classify that which type of vehicle, that is two-wheeler, three-wheeler or four-wheeler, and it will also count the number of vehicles which is passing through that particular line. Okay, we have created one imagery line. If the vehicle passing through it, then the counter increase by 1, like 27, 28. If the vehicle passing from that particular line, then it will increase the count by 1. If the two vehicle pass, then it will increase by 2, and it will also classify the type of vehicle. It will be two-wheeler, three-wheeler, or maybe bus, truck, okay, minibus. So this is the complete project, and we are developing this type of project related computer science domain in Python, machine learning, deep learning, AI, neural network, opencv, Java, Android. If you need project, then you can contact us. I will provide the contact link in description, or you can also visit the website www.techieprojects.com. and if you have any doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. Okay, yeah. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.